Judge Judy Net Worth, how much she has made on her show and how she spends it. Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Hope you all are enjoying, so let's begin. Judge Judy, whose real name is Judy Sheindlin, has amassed a staggering net worth of $440 million through her immensely successful career as a TV judge. Known for her no-nonsense approach and tough legal advice, Judge Judy became the highest-paid woman on U.S. television. This article explores how Judge Judy built her net worth and provides insights into how she chooses to spend her wealth. Judge Judy's net worth is a result of her remarkable journey as an on-screen judge. Her path to success began when an article about her appeared in the LA Times in 1993, followed by a segment on 60 Minutes. This exposure led to a book deal with HarperCollins, and her book, Don't Pee on My Leg and Tell Me It's Raining, became a success, selling nearly 217,000 copies. Recognizing the potential, talent scouts Kay Switzer and Sandy Spreckman offered Judge Judy the opportunity to preside over her own courtroom series in 1995. Initially expecting the show to last only a few seasons, Judge Judy went on to host the show for 25 seasons, making it one of the longest-running judge shows in TV history. The show's syndications continue to contribute to her net worth. How did Judge Judy make her fortune? During the peak of her TV career, Judge Judy earned a staggering $47 million per year. Her contract allowed her to work just 52 days annually, with each taping day comprising 10 to 12 cases. This meant that within a single day, she would film enough episodes for a week, earning approximately $900,000 per week for her role as a TV judge. In 2015, Judge Judy entered the Guinness World Records as the longest-serving judge in TV history, cementing her status as an iconic figure in the industry. After concluding her run on Judge Judy in 2021, she transitioned to a new show called Judy Justice, which airs on MTV TV, further adding to her financial success. Judge Judy has made several notable investments and acquisitions, showcasing her luxury lifestyle. Her real estate portfolio includes properties such as an $11 million penthouse and a nearby mansion in Naples, Florida. She also owns a $13.2 million 9-bedroom manor in Greenwich, Connecticut, and a $10.7 million 5-bedroom condo in a gated community in Beverly Hills. Additionally, she has a duplex with 4 bedrooms on the Upper East Side of New York. To facilitate her travel between Los Angeles and New York, Judge Judy owns a private jet, ensuring comfort and convenience. She has also engaged top-tier legal advisors to handle any legal matters that arise, underscoring her commitment to quality representation. Beyond her personal expenditures, Judge Judy enjoys spoiling her 13 grandchildren, although the extent of their indulgence remains a mystery. She has cultivated friendships with numerous A-list celebrities, including Bette Midler, Amy Poehler, Samuel L. Jackson, and RuPaul, often treating them to lavish dinners. According to Freevee, Judy Justice has grown to be the service's #1 original program in hours watched, with customers viewing more than 150 million hours to date. In its debut season, the program won the Daytime Emmy for Best Legal/Courtroom Program. New Season 2 episodes debut every weekday through June 9. Justice on Trial will explore the American justice system, including what children are taught in school, police diligence as opposed to overreach and individual rights versus the greater good, featuring testimony and reenactments based on actual court transcripts. The docudrama examines seminal rulings through a combination of sometimes heated courtroom debate, lively civil discourse, and common-sense legal analysis. Justice on Trial explores, through reenactment, some of the most famous and infamous cases in this country and their impact on every American, said Judge Judy Sheindlin. There has never been a program like it. It is smart and compelling TV. She continued, how shall I describe my feelings about the renewal of Judy Justice on Amazon Freevee? Gratifying, certainly. Grateful, of course. In exploring the continued success of the program, I do believe that people long to see old-fashioned justice administered with an even hand. A little humor doesn't hurt. I intend to deliver both for as long as I'm able. Judy Justice is executive produced and directed by Randy Douthit and co-executive produced by Amy Freiselman. Scott Kundal is also an executive producer. Previously aired episodes from Seasons 1 and 2 are currently available to stream via Freevee. While Judith Sheindlin was a real live judge, New York City Mayor Ed Koch appointed her to family court in 1982 and then made her Manhattan's supervising family court judge in 1986. She's not acting as one on her show. shows don't take place in real courtrooms and they don't feature real trials, though they are usually real cases. The producers often contact parties who have pending litigation in small claims court and offer them the opportunity to appear on TV instead. What you're seeing on these TV court shows is really just arbitration playing dress-up in small claims court's clothes. Arbitration is a legal method for resolving disputes outside the court. The disputing parties present their cases to a neutral third-party arbitrator or arbitrators to hear the case, examine the evidence, and make a usually binding decision. Like a court-based case, arbitration is adversarial, but generally less formal in its rules and procedures. The power that Judge Judy and the rest of the TV arbitrators have over the disputing parties is granted by a contract specific to their case that they sign before appearing on the show. These contracts make the arbitrator's decision final and binding, prevent the disputing parties from negotiating the terms of the arbitration, and allow the judges wide discretion on procedural and evidentiary rules during the arbitration. TV judges make their decision on the case and either decide for the plaintiff, in which case the show's producers award them a judgment fee, or with the defendant, in which case the producers award both parties with an appearance fee. This system seems to skew things in favor of the defendants and gives them an incentive to take their case from court to TV. If they have a weak case, appearing on the show absolves them of any financial liability. If they have a strong case, they stand to earn an appearance fee along with their victory. If one party or the other doesn't like the arbitrator's decision, it can really only be successfully appealed if it addresses a matter outside the scope of the contract. In 2000, Judge Judy had one of her decisions overturned for that reason by the Family Court of Kings County. In the case BMVDL, the parties appeared in front of Scheindlin to solve a personal property dispute. Scheindlin ruled on that dispute, but also made a decision on the parties' child custody and visitation rights. One of the parties appealed in court, and the family court overturned the custody and visitation part of the decision because they weren't covered by the agreement to arbitrate. American television personality Judge Judy has slammed Britain's Prince Harry as being selfish, ungrateful, and disingenuous. Her comments came after the prince's string of bombshell interviews and ahead of the release of his tell-all memoir Spare, which came out on Tuesday, having been leaked days ahead of its official release date. Harry has spilled a slew of personal details about the British royal family and how he and his wife Meghan were treated, and made accusations against them, such as claiming his brother William pushed him to the floor in an argument. Speaking on Good Morning Britain, GMB, on Tuesday, Judge Judy suggested that while her comments were not directly about the Duke of Sussex, she would be furious and hurt if her child or grandchild did the same as Harry had done. I will tell you that I would be furious, and I would think that child or that grandchild was a selfish, spoiled, ungrateful one, Judy, a former Manhattan family court judge whose real name is Judge Judith Scheindlin, said. That's what I would feel. I'd be really hurt. I think anybody with a brain would see that it's disingenuous. It's biting the hand that fed you. It's unseemly. GMB host Noel Phillips repeated that Judge Judy had refused to comment directly about Harry and Meghan, but anchors Susanna Reid